So the first biggest team wayidlalela is Arrows.
Yeah, PSL, yeah.
So how do you get discovered? Bakuthola kanjani?
I was
get to udlala ku-MDC kwi-Arrows. Then nawini disc
challenge, yeah.
It's which year?
Ngisiwine 2016, yeah, bengisafika lapho nakhona bengisana few months ngifikile. I think ngafika Arrows ngizotry December after my matric. Yeah. Then January ngadlala 6 games, then we went to overseas. Just imagine.
Yeah. So then usudlala uThongathi, then usuyamova uya kephi manje ku-Richards Bay. Leyo move from uThongathi to Richards Bay yona yenzeka kanjani?
Oh, leyo move le yenza ukuthi kuThongathi bengisayine 2 season yabo.
Yeah.
Because I came there with the aim ukuthi ngifuna ukuyodlala ibhola, ngikwazi ukuyidayisa ama team namangibona. So kwenzeka ngesizini yesibili yami yakuThongathi, then we played against the Richards Bay. First round I performed, second round I performed. So I think mangibona lapho ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo sinike inkinga lo chairman walapha na Richards Bay. Mawuke waba umdlalo i-team yakho amnika inkinga, lapho showcase uzokulanda uzodlala e-teamini yakho. So kwenza
usudlale nama-Soweto Giants
O2 singadlala ne-Sundowns la ekusakhona uKhama Billiards, Pesitawu, Thombazwane, I think Castro naye wayekhona because babeyibiza nge-CPD.
CPD.
Yeah.
Yayisakhotshwa uPete.
Yeah.
So wakhotshwa uNcikazi.
Yeah.
Yes. Wakhotshwa uPapizo Thwana.
Yeah.
Wakhotshwa ubani futhi wesithathu lo sandunyuka ne-Durban City.
Yeah, but kwi-Arrows bengicoach uClinton Lassini, uNcikazi be assistant coach.
Yes. Wakhotshwa na uKhombele.
Yeah.
So kulabo coach bebonke laba abacoachile nje, umuphi ucoach ongazi ukuthi ayabona lo I enjoyed ngempela ucoachwa kulo muntu lo, noma umbone ukuthi hayi lo like uyabelivela kumina? Bathi uphirika u1 wesibili zomthola esithombeni owesithathu Ivik. Welcome bafethu, siyanamukela on another episode of the Gallery Podcast bafethu. As always, hlezi ngiphethe izinto ezimnandi. Namhlanje awukho umehluko, into efanayo. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele iPSL player, a former uThongathi player, former Golden Arrows player who now plays for Richards Bay. So bafethu ngifuna ukuthi sihlale naye la mfethu uSiyanda Romario Dlamini. Ngifuna ukuthi sihlale naye namhlanje asixoxele ukuthi what does it take to make it kwi-PSL yabo, sithole nezingqinamba sehlangabezane naye through ijourney yakhe yabo lonto le. So mina because angikho good when it comes to ama intro, ngizomdedela yena introduce yena kamnandi because mafuna ukugiya kahle, engasho ukuthi wavinjwa yimini efuna ukugiya, yabo lonto le. Mina ngimazi ngofimbusi bafethu, yabo lonto le. So mangibuye ngithi Fimbusi ngisasho yena bafethu. Siyani uGrand mfethu?
NgiGrand mophera ngiyezwa kuyo.
NgiGrand namjaya.
Sibonge impilo bhuti.
Sacela mfethu introduce wena mfethu ngendlela ezokugculisa ebantwini.
Mfethu lo hlelana kupholiwe namhlanje broadcast what uSiyanda wakwaDlamini abambiza ngoFimbusi nje indaweni eziningi uFimbusi sebeze bali-add ake igama athi uFimbo Lava because indoda enothando enanenhlonipho. Yeah.
uFimbo Lava ngiyalithanda lelo mfethu.
Yeah.
So mfethu besikubona thina abantu abaningi kade bengakwazi, so kodwa thina besikubona mfethu from mina mangikhumbula kahle eprimary wawudlala ibasketball.
Yeah.
Ugijima.
Yeah.
Udlala iAustralian football.
Yeah, ngayidlala.
Kanti ziphi sport ongasidlala?
Icala iPort engadlala ngumuntu nje okhule active yabona, okukhulu ufuna ukufunda into eziningi ezenzakalayo around wena.
Yeah.
So bengumuntu kanjalo, I was like nje umuntu talented mfethu ama-talent amaningi akhona ayenziwayo yabo.
Yeah.
So bengilowo muntu ofuna ukufunda zonke iports ezikhona yabo. Yeah.
So uthando lwebhola liqhamukapi mfethu?
Uthando lebhola ngizothi liqhamuka ekhaya like because ubabami babongizala nje udlalela ibhola lo muntu engimbukile ekukhuleni kwami but ke wahamba isikhathi ngaqala ngabukela iTV nami ngawumuntu interested ebholeni like ngibukele iKaizer Chiefs ngiyithandela uBrian Baloyi yabo but kuthe khamba isikhathi nawo asuka wayela kuSundowns sethengiwe so nje umthandeni kwami Brian Baloyi ngispirile kakhulu ngagcina sengithanda noVuyo Mere yabo of which is a defender. He was playing in the right back but mina leso sikhathi ngisakhula bengidlalela amaqhawe ya coach uSiqe so bengidlalela right wing but bengimthanda la mjid because ngithanda idaya yakhe ekhanda nokubeka amasokisi ngale wedoda nje yabo bonsa lo muntu clean udlala ibhola shine attacking.
So usadlala on the dusty streets mfethu. Was it always a dream ukuthi ulokhu nje mfethu udlale kwiPSL? Wakwayibona lento yenzeka like lo ngifuna ukukusho.
Akuzange yibone iqhamuka because bengumuntu ade eyithandela ibasketball nje mina ngizokusho ngikubeka nje lokho kahle. Bengizithandela ibasketball namanye ama sports nje ibhola bengidlala just nje up until ngize ngiqhuquzela ucoach walayikasi lo unkululeko uSiqewa kaNdaba odume kakhulu eMlazi no coach abaningi bamazi yena ke umuntu ade kwazi ukungilanda ngisho noma kuthiwa ngisengikwesiphi isports because ngeke ngadlala ngisho iboxing coach omkhulu 3 la isijimisi yabo so agcine sengilanda kanjalo because ubeyibona ipotential mina bengiyingane ngiyidlalela nje ama sports yabo.
So from playing for amaqhawe yabo lonto le how many years did you play for amaqhawe?
I started at early age yabo because bengisamncane. I think nganginabo 8 to 10 qala ukudlala khona.
So mawusuka kumaqhawe wasuka kumaqhawe yake?
Ngiye kwenye team ekadila ka kuthiwa bekumlazi Royal besayibiza kanjalo becoach oncane but khona ngihlala ngesikhathi esiningi I think ngaspenda khona 3 weeks 4 weeks inyanga ngiqedanga futhi ngidlala khona because we went to play a friend game neteam ekuthiwa eThekwini Coastal ePhetho Mantayi Lindan Shares na waziwa kakhulu ebholeni yabo senzo olukhulu kakhulu baningi nabadlali sebavezile abasuka ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe so ngaba naleyo lucky leyo loku spend isikhathi sami kancane kumlazi Royal ethi mina coach oncane so bangithatha lapha ngagcina sengidlala khona
eCoastal then
eThekwini Coastal
wafika khona. You played for how many years?
No, I think I played for 3 seasons if I'm not mistaken.
3 seasons.
Yeah.
So the first biggest team wayidlalela is Arrows.
Yeah, PSL, yeah.
So how do you get discovered? Bakuthola kanjani?
I was playing for eThekwini Coastal, then Coach Mandla Ncikazi came to watch our games yabo waba interested wangibiza because back then he was coaching iMaritzburg United. So bekangibiza kuyona kwasho ukuthi ngisafunda eOgwini yabo. I'm doing my matric. Ngamthetha ngicela ngilinde yabo yena he was begging me like come and play. Ngajima ngisho usuku oluyi1 ufika uzodlala. Ngayibona lento sino I'm doing my matric athi ngifocus esikoleni sekusele inyangana vele yabo. So wanginika leso sikhathi ekwazi ungisendana nemali othi ngize ejimini mina ngithathe leyo mali ngihambe ngiyojima eThekwini Coastal yabo. So gcineke kwenzeka kanjalo kwagcina seze kwiGolden Arrows. That's when they got me wangibiza nakhona wathi nayo opportunity wazoyiveza so ngagcina ngiyakhona.
She's you were really good very
no bengizama nami mfethu. Yeah.
So when mfethu you never went through lezi zinto lezi zokuthi kushawa ama trials nani?
Ngeke ngaya kwama trials but I think ngiye kwama trials awodwa bekhona lento ye-squad se-Nike kuthiwa kuzoselecta 3 players like they gonna go to Joburg or maybe go to overseas but ngibe nelucky ke nami ngahamba ngayenza lawo ma trials eMoses Mabhida. bengisafunda isikole futhi nalapho yeah.
Yeah.
Then I tried then kwi-final selection nganga-select. I think wa-select uGodino. Kwa-selectwa uGodino was playing for Kaizer Chiefs recently.
Yeah.
Then noSihle Nduli nakho manje ubizwe iPirates useyodlala kwiPirates. So ngabona nabo bebizwa. I don't think wasithatha kwakubani but I think kwakuyiKhaladi yeah. Parasnat yeah. I think so yeah.
So ufika uzodlala kwi-Arrows uzodlala ku-Underbar kwi-Arrows.
Bengizodlala kwi-MDC but through potential abebeyibona mina of which bengingakoyibona ukuthi I was ready for PSL but bengitraina ne-first team.
Utraina ne-first team.
Yeah.
So mfethu how hard is it mfethu bese uphakathi khona lapha ko-Arrows ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala?
I think kuya ngokuyimisela kwakho. It's not hard but ukusebenza kwakho kanzima nokuyimisela kwakho nokuthi wena ufuna ukuyi-improve kanjani igame yakho nokuthi team ufuna ukuyisiza kanjani igcinile phambili. Yeah, ukusaba ngeke ukusize ngalutho. Ukusaba kwakho kuzokulimitha ezintweni eziningi ugcina ungaphumelelanga. But mozokwazi ukuthi nawe ungasabi udlala ibhola nabanye abafana leyo nto le ngakisa phambili. Yeah.
So you get to udlala ku-MDC kwi-Arrows then nawini disc
challenge yeah.
This which year?
Ngisiwine 2016 yeah bengisafika lapho nakhona bengisana few months ngifikile. I think ngafika Arrows ngizotry December after my matric. Yeah. Then January ngadlala 6 games then we went to overseas. Just imagine.
So niya kanjani overseas niyiswa ukuthi niwini MDC?
Yeah.
Manifika overseas niyodlala namanye ama team aphesheya.
Yeah, sasiye Netherlands lapho yeah.
Senifly sinibhos uphuma kweNetherlands.
Kakhulu. So futhi nami ngangingazi singizogcina sengile overseas. Of which sengifikile ebholeni kwakwesifiso sami singcine ngile phesheya yabo. Ngibone nje indawo kuthiwa iphesheya. Yeah.
So uyadlala kwilokhu njani niwini MDC ne-Arrows then you get promoted to first team.
Yeah.
Ubani upromoted to first team?
I think abo coach because the technical staff iba naleyo meeting le mhlawumbe sekuzophela isizini no yipi place ibonayo which mhlambe nga-add value yabo kuthina. So nami I was one of them nami ukuthi nami ngibiza ukuthi ngijime ne-first team. Of which vele angijima nayo kodwa most of the time angidlala kwi-MDC yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Kodwa akhona amagame wadlala kwilokhu nje kwi-first team.
Yeah khona ngawadlala of which coach uClinton Lasine esebenzisana nocoach uMandla Ncikazi. Of which ibona abantu ababane influence eningi because ibona abantu ababespend isikhathi esiningi nabadlali yabo. So I will say nje ibona abantu ababane influence ukuthi ngicine sengidlalile kwi-PSL. Yeah.
So mfethu manje sukwi-PSL gijima Golden Arrows kwi-PSL first team. Ngitshele nje ngalo feeling mfethu naleso simo ukuthi kwakunjani. What you were going through. How did you handle your situation there? Because ngicabanga ukuthi nayo nto idinga i-mental stability nayo yabona nto le.
It was a great opportunity for me, especially umndeni wami nobaba wami owagcina mhlambe engaphumelelanga but mina ukubreak through kwami kwamenza kwangathi uyena ophumelele empilweni dewe bebengisupporta ngakhona ekhaya. Yabo kungekho into etheni yamasentshana ade ngilonduzana ngilekelelwa ngayo but ugogo wazama yabo kwaze ugogo beyisipanele egarage. So but ekugcineni ukwazile ukuthi angilekelele ngicine ngifike la ngifike khona but nje ukufika le phezulu nje kungijabulise kakhulu ngakwazi nami ukhandlisha situation yami uthi no into ezongenza ukuthi ngidlale isikhathi esiningi ukuthi ngibe humble ngizazi nokuthi ngiphumaphi yabo ngabe sengijabulisa ukuthi ngiphumelele abantu angisababingeleli sengiyayitshela ngisabakhulumisa yabo. So ileyo nto ngicathi ngisizile yabo nama advice engiwatholile kwabantu mengifika le ukuthi ntwana stay humble stay grounded yonke into izoba right keep on working so yeah.
Shout out to ugogo
ngiyambongela.
Manje lapha ku-Arrows ubani umuntu akunikeza inkinga nje ubone ukuthi ayi le ndoda le ayingimise kabi kwiposition yami.
Ngifika bengidlala i-right back ngibe ngidlala i-left back so angeke ngisho ukuthi ubani umuntu angingezi but ngifunde elikhulu kubona yabo. Abantu ade ngibafice khona phambili kwami because bekhona uNsimbi bambiza uLonto Siyabonga Dubu uhlalela Monti bengifunda kuyena okuningi naye was passing ama messages mhlambe mayibona sikhona la kumele ngilungise khona ngikuthathe lokho ikona okugcina ngikwenza ukuthi ngigcine sengikwazi ukudlala yabo.
Ngayo leli competition ibinjani yona?
Be tough kakhulu because ngifice vele abantu ba ready bayazi lo mkhakha kade bafika kuona. And mina ngintwana ngiqhamukela ko SAB League yabo but ngafike nga-adjusta nami because nami bengiyimisela mengidlala yabo menginikezwe nje opportunity ngisho nangathi ngidlalisa phi ke mina opportunity ngiyayithatha ngiyisebenzise.
So okay siyadlala ku-Arrows siyasuka ku-Arrows manje uyakuthongathi from PSL to NFD. Leyo transition, how was the transition there ukusuka from PSL to NFD? How did you take it when?
For mina kwakufuna ukuyodlala cause bese kufikile ucoach uSteve Kompela of which ubekholela kumina but khona lento ade ngingayenzi yabo kade ifuna like nje to be bully egroundini angiyena ke lo muntu mina ngimaka smart nanokuthi nje yabo ibhola ngiyakwazi ukudlala bethanda mase ngiliphethe ibhola but mengaliphethe nje bengabethanda ukuthi nje abantu nje bangifile mengikhona nje ngifika nje bangizwe nje yabo. So bekuyileyo nto kade sibanga naye yabo kakhulu because wazangitshela nawe ukuthi wena ngabe ngiyakudlalisa inkinga manje lento ukuthi nje wena abakufila abantu mofika nje ufika usuzophokha ibhola yabo leyo nto le. So ngagcina sengibonile ukuthi no yazini la ngathi ngizodlala kudala yabo. Ngcono ngicela ilontozana yabo i-clearance yami like ije ngacela nje futhi bangilona yabo. Then ngathi hayi la ekhaya izilona siyenze so but ungaya ukuthi ungathi uhambe udlala because ufisa ukudlala yabo. Then ngagcina ngile because nami coach okade yakuthiwa ngathi beku coach vele ade sicoacha ku MTC of which is coach Papa Zothwana.
Mawufika lapha yana ilokho nje mawufika lapha kuthiwa ngathi isimo sinjani?
Mengifika I was so welcomed because ngifike khona amajita vele angijwayele namanye ade sisuka nawo ama lower leagues amanye ade sidlala nawo ku MTC amanye besijwayele ukudlala nama friendly kwabantu engibajwayele nje ukujwayela ukuxoxisana nabo so I just felt at home.
So ngathi yini umehluko ukudlalela i-Arrows nokudlalela uThongathi?
Umehluko ukhona because ilo setup yaku PSL is so different than setup yaku NFD. Because PSL o coach kwenziwa ama video sessions indlela yokujima indlela odla ngayo yabo zonke lezo zinto ziyanako nendlela oresta ngayo kumele oreste ngayo. Then NFD hayi baba kuyanyiwa ke NFD hayi
zilambile
hayi picnic for sure lapha hayi kuyanyiwa hayi angifuni nje uqamba manga indoda iphefumulela la endlebeni yakho baba but hayi kuleli league ngempela la lapha yani uphuma uzwile mawuzodlala neteam nje mhlawumbe because mina my first game la ngabona khona no hayi le league later ngangitshethi lula yabo mengifika because ngisuka ku PSL it's more like kuma ku space kuyashift yabo zonke lezo zinto. But ngathi sengibuka i-first game sayidlala against i-Free State abo Paulos abo Saleng bedlala lapha abo Jaft yabo. So mase kudlala ngabona ngangihleli ngaphandle kodwa but mase ngibona abantu ngaphakathi akwakuliwa ngithoze cabanga lapha i-first game of the season kodwa sekuyaliwa already. Ngatshela ucoach la ngathi coach kanti kunje kanti la NFD wathi hey baba kudlala ucoach uPitso lo osiqeda kupromotisa manje ilontuzana Durban City Pitso idlala
oyena wayecoach
kuThongathi
So isizin yakho yokuqala ufika kuThongathi ungarate kanjani yayinjani yona?
Hey right because ngafica ama player vele ayekade ne experience yakhona like abo Isasa beSkyda abo Philanshange awusaziso Magawane Silawula yabo ngathiwa noXolani Ngcobo abadlali nje kade sebevele bekhona emkhakheni webhola basiguide besigqugquzela beyibona ipotential so kwangekho nzima kangako yabo because sazama ukadjust nje laba befika nje most yabo nami nje ngagcina sengijwayele nje sengikhululekile
so kuleyo first season yakho kuthiwa ngathi i-team yenza kanjani yaphela iligi ikephi i-team
yaphela iligi siku number 8 or 7 something like that
number 8 or 7
ngikhumbula kahle
so then okay usudlala lutho ngathi then usuyamove uyakephi manje ku Richards Bay leyo move from uThongathi to Richards Bay yona yenzeka kanjani
leyo move leyo yenza ukuthi kuThongathi bengisayine 2 season yabo because I came there with the aim ukuthi ngifuna ukuyodlala ibhola ngikwazi ukuyidayisa ama team namangibona so kwenzeka ngesizini yesibili yami yakuThongathi then we played against the Richards Bay first round I performed second round I performed so I think mangibona lapho ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo sinike inkinga lo chairman walapha na kwa Richards Bay mawuke waba umdlalo i-team yakho amnika inkinga lapho showcase uzokulanda uzodlala e-teamini yakho so kwenzeka ke lapho ukuthi cause bengisane 2 season then i-contract yami iphela then nayo base bangibiza bathi angicela ukuzodlala lapha e-teamini yakho because bebene right back eyodwa beku KG mbiza ngokahliswa amaphathi be ucaptain wakhona so I came to Etivale eteamini nakhona
so lokhu nje udlala lama team usudlala lama team o3 usuka la usuza la financial wise ikhona igrowth ebakhona
ibikhona cause la ngiqale khona nala ngekhona nala kade sengikhona manje umehluko ukhona bemningi
okay so usudlalela iRichards Bay kwiPSL there's a question engifuna ukuyibuza yabo lo nto le ngifuna ube honest ungiphendule ngizwa la bangibuka khona le ishow ya Stan yabo Stan le dlala la ku Super Sports lo may so rest in peace abadlali abaningi bayafika lapha yabo bebefika abadlali bakhala ngokuthi kwiPSL uyadliwa umuthi Thiwa lapha iJesu ungalibona liclean kanti linuka into enezibhathi bari lo tele
ngisho cause lapha Richards Bay kusetshenziswa uToraf mfethu angeke ngazi mhlambe khona abazenza apha behind our backs but nje lapha no chairman wakhona noma umchairman wakhona they believe in God yabo babantu basesheshi because every time ekuzoqala isizini siyesontweni makuthi izinto ayilunge kahle we go to church they pray for us yabo lezo zinto lezi bayafast yabona lezo zinto but nje angikhumbuli nje khona umuntu ekuthiwa suphathe like sufafaze ground angikhumbuli
cha ngingasasho ukuthi from lama team lawo sekwawadlalelwa yabo lo nto le thina we can only hear rumors yabo asikho close as wena umuntu oclose lapha ku PSL ukubona izinto is it true ngempela ukuthi ama team ayawudla umuthi not mentioning any team
akhona usebenzisayo
Raf
abanye bayatshengisa hleze kubonakala ama social media
ukuthi ukhona umunye wayengitshela ukuthi le nto le ifana nase emsebenzini yabo
kunjalo
nje wanisebenza la khona nabanye abadla umuthi abalwela ukuthi izinto zakho zingafiki lapha umuntu kuphumelele
yena kunjalo bayakwenza abanye phela bakholelwa kuya ngokuthi umuntu ukholelwa kini yabo mina ekhaya ngikhole kuthandazwa kusetshenziswa amanzi abusisiwe so ilapha engikholela khona nami
so far nje oba i-football career yakho sele kuyaqala till manje iyipi igame yakho mfethu ukuthi this is my biggest game I enjoy
ngayidlala I think kwakuyigame engayidlala sahlala neKaizer Chiefs I think Soccer City sasi away lapha kubizwa ngeFNB manje home ground yabo yeah yona game I think lo sila ngayidlala ngayenjoy even namanje nje mengicabanga nje noma ngibona iKaizer Chiefs ibatch la ngivele ngikhumbule yona
Aba memories yakho nje la so umuphi umdlali wena wakwathi yabo lo mdlali lo usanginikeza inkinga ngimake
I don't think khona kodwa nje gcineni but vele kumele phela kube khona lo mdlali lo but umdlalo seke nje mhlawumbe nginika inkinga engingamention for now kwaku igama ngisalikhumbuza but uMngomezulu wayidlalela ibhola kwaNesithi yeah uvusumuzi Mngomezulu yena mdlali ke osewanginika inkinga ekudlaleni kwami then owesibili Chira Mandari nakhona ngakhona kumma but inkinga ipotsha ishalo shawuvalile
uma ucabanga lepotsha
ke kwacabanga phela shay ipotsha lo muntu
yazi angazi bethi yazi mewa sewashaya ngepotsha egaming special mayithafa yazi abantu abayikhohlwa lo nto le
obvious ke bayikhohlwa sibophethe phela le
so fethu la fethu sabantu bala emlazo yabo kunabantu abaningi mfethu abadlala ibhola yabo lo nto le most yabo mfethu bakhula bedlala ibhola when they reach i-age le yethu noma sibezo reach le age yethu uthola ukuthi ibhola bayaliyeka yabo lo nto le mawucabanga lo nto le idalwa yini
I think mhlambe unga break it through mhlambe in life then ugcina usubona ukuthi aish yazi let me try something else yabo this thing didn't work out for me of which is the right thing mfethu egcineni sabantu mfethu andasabelwa ngokufanayo mfethu empilweni wonke umuntu mfethu unendlela yakhe mfethu azophumelela ngayo ngesiphumelele ngendlela eyodwa thina sike saya eSpain naye lontuzana iGolden Arrows futhi siwine the second season lo MDC yeah mesifika yeah sithathe kabili so mesifika eSpain lapha kwiBarcelona so besitshela ngedevelopment yakho kuthiwa abafana batshela besabancane like beno 13 11 years betshela la kunina ekugcineni abazogcina mhlambe bephumelele bawu2 noma bawu3 so zamani ngayo yonke indlela uthi ni focus esikoleni yabo so ila ngabona khona uthi no yazini baqiniseni because manje unokuphumelela wena omunye umuntu akubuye kambe yabo uthi hayi kuphumelela lo kuphela mina ngingaphumeleli ile yonto ke leyo muthi la isingena khona sekuwumona le yonto engafuneki yabo kanjalo
yazi angikaze yabo ngalendlela oyichaza ngayo ngiyayizwa yabo ukuthi bengakazi ngiyibuke ngalo ndlela yabo lo nto le I always thought ukuthi la njoba mhlambe la sabantu bala emlazi mhlambe i-environment esidalela lezo ingqinamba ukuthi kanjani mhlambe abafethu bagcile bengene kuma drugs nani uyayibo lo nto
yeah na environment ina umthelela mfethu nanokuthi abantu aba influence empilweni yakho bak-advise abathini kuwena bayagqugquzela yini or mhlambe bakuletha down or bablame yonke into oyenzayo because kuyenzeka ukuthi uyazama yabo kube khona lo muntu ozothi ayi le bhola lakho likusiza ngalutho liyekele obvious wena ngaphakathi usuyafa kodwa wena uyafisa ukuya lapha yabo sekuya ngecharacter yakho umuntu uthi strong kangakanani for ukufacana nalezo zinto lezo
so wena uthini kwilokho nje uthini kwintwana yasemlazi njengamanje ethi mayibuka iPSL because wena mfethu kubantu kwintwana ezincane edlala ibhola la ngasekhaya because they ba very few abantu abaku PSL yabo with the closest thing to a hero yabo lo nto le so uthini kwintwana encane manje ena 13 let's say 13 ethi ayinami ngifuna ukuyodlala ku PSL njengoDlamini
for intwana ezincane ama opportunities maningi manje yabo than before bekunalawo ama trials kodwa kwaziwa ukuthi kulawo ama trials kuyothathwa osibanibani yabo bafike no coach then manje it's open for everyone to make it yabo kuya ngetalent lomuntu ukuthi wenza kangakanani but kubona into engaba advisor ngayo eyokuqala kufocus esikoleni bafunde inhlonipho bafunde nokumaza umuntu omdala nontanga babo because ontanga ngathi mfethu abantu bebona siyalingana ngathi abahloniphani kanti kumele umhloniphe nomuntu olingana nawe mfethu yabo because inhlonipho mfethu awulisay mina ukhiye nje weminyaka eminingi ukuhlonipha omunye umuntu because lezo zinto lezo ukuhlonipha nokuba nelontuzana nje nomuntu obukela kuyena yabo ukuthi hayi lo uyi-idol yami leyo nto leyo muntu le yamguide ngiyangibona izintwana eziningi since ngibuyile le lokushini nje ziyajabula mase ngibona ngiyasho nje ngeke ngahamba nama out nje futhi ngibona because manje ngilimele yabo but izintwana khona intwana engibuzile nje ubuyela nini ebholeni siyakukhumbula ini ngiyamtshela ngilimele yaphatha abhlungu mfethu yazi le nto le mfethu ish
because
ingishayile nami kakhulu mfethu
mfethu
because benga expectile ukuthi mhlawumbe izintwana eziningi mfethu like izibukela kumina kuphela yabo as much as zibukela nawo abanye abantu but amehlazo aseduze imini
wena mfethu and mfethu yabona mfethu mina I'm like mfethu yabo masibuka i-TV la izintwana zibona ekhaya kujwayele ukugcwala ke sibuka i-TV yabona uma kudlala ibhola like mfethu indlela ezijabula ngayo izintwana mazikubona la because wena mfethu it's like we testimony ukuthi hayibo kahle kahle lento le it is possible yabo lonto le uyakwazi nokuvusa lonto nanomuntu ade selahle ithemba ukuthi avela kufika umuntu lapha yana yabo lonto le so nje mfethu kumele ululame ubuyele lapha yana mfethu uphinde mfethu wenze izintwana zethu la zibe proud ngazo nazo zichase ama dreams zabo
la ngizobuyela mfethu khulile ungasabi soon
wena ulimazwa yini
la bengidlala igame like February nje ngilimale ngawe playing against Polokwane City I was marking our police then I was trying to poke the ball then I think it's Macron is just pulled up
but impela mfethu we hope mfethu izintwana zala emlazi mfethu yabo of which it's another reason mfethu kade ngithi mina ngifuna ukuthi ngize la sizohlala nawe sixoxe yabo lonto le because I know there's a lot of izintwana ezibuka le podcast yabo lonto le enginethemba ukuthi unga inspire yabo because mina isifiso sami nje mfethu ukubona ushintsho emlazi yabo lonto le and omunye wabantu mfethu abas inspired izintwana mfethu basilethela ushitho elisi proud ngawe mfethu ngale
ngiyabonga
so mfethu kuyilokhunja yakho kade ukhuluma I pick up something uthe lapha yana wena mfethu bekwenzeka kwesikhathi uthothi kuyoshaya ama trial kodwa mama kushaya ama trial uthothi sekuyaziwa ukuthi kuzothathwa laba ngoba bahamba no coach babo kanjani khona into kanjalo azibengazi ukuthi khona into kanjalo
hayi khona into kanjalo esebholeni ziyenzeka nje kakhulu
kwenze uthothi kuzosala umuntu otalented thathwe lokhunje
kuba njalo
kunzima akukho la ngekho khona ipolitiki khona
yonke indawo wafu
so wakhochwa uncikazi
yes
wakhochwa uPapizo Thwana wakhochwa ubani futhi wesithathu lo sanunyuka
Upitso Dladla
neDurban City
but we Arrows ben coach uClinton Lasini uncikazi be assistant coach
wakhochwa na uKhompela
so
kulabo coach bebonke laba abacoachile nje umuphi ucoach ongazi ukuthi ayabona lo I enjoyed ngempela ucoach wa kulo muntu lo noma umbone ukuthi hayi lo like uyabelievela kumina
will go for Clinton Lasini because uprove ukuthi uyabelievela kumina I was in a youngster ngifika ku Golden Arrows first game yami engayidlala nje enkulu ngaqala first game yami ngadlala against iPlatinum Stars yabo it's me ngasekho manje but in this game yethu we playing against the Kaizer Chiefs and I thought uzongibeka ebenchini but he believed in me wathi baba hamba odlala ngikhona mfana ngizoguide then nesathu game ngayidlala futhi kwakuzobe ePirates I thought sina khona ngengidlala coach athi baba uhamba odlala baba ngikhona for wena ngiyabelievela kuwena uzoyenza lento engiyifunayo and mind you khona ama experienced player lapha ebenchini mina ngiyayifikela nje yabo ngisukela na ku MDC but he kept on believing in me yabo kanjalo
yeah ku career yakho mfethu ngesikhathi esesibe khona usukudlala nama Soweto Giants
O2 singadlala ne Sundowns la ekusakhona uKhama Billiards Pesitawu Thombazwane I think no Castro naye wayekhona because babeyibiza ngeCPD
CPD
yeah
yayisacoach uPete
yeah I played against him sidlala umhlompo kekane yeah bote Komotisi yeah
between lama game lawa wo3 lawa Pirates Kaizer ne Sundowns which one was the toughest
yayinzima kakhulu go for le Pirates
yeah
because lapha uRaghala engadlala wayeza Jomo Raghala wayeza
wawuma kuRaghala
yeah ngama because but ayigcine naye wadlala kodwa
yeah wait so kulabo coach la ekade sibabala umuphi ongathi was the toughest on ethi yabo lo strict nemithetho yakhe iqinile
Steve Kompela mfethu edakhona ba street kwakhe it's not like mhlawumbe yakuzonda angazi kwabanye but kumina into yade ngiyibona nje it's like ufuna nje umdlali nje aqonda athi yeah
angabuye nishiya ngalesa singisi sakhe you see how the egg is shaped you must
ayishaya ngaso mfethu laba bes gifted mfethu kakhulu mfethu because laba bunokubona into before izenzeke kwena because there was a player owethanda bo like uyitshe mhlawumbe uyajoke coach because like kwakhulunywa nje kanje wamtshela wena uzoba nenkinga ngazi namhlanje nje ungagcina mhlawumbe ungasafikele endlini usuphusimisa sibedlela jokingly yabo of which lento uyayibona and then umdlalo wahleka like kumiyo nje ama parking la ngempela khona umjito wahlehlelela kuyena
same day
qeda nje ukisho cabanga ilanga bona consile baba lo because abantu ezinye izinto bebeyithatha light ayishoyo but egcineni zonke lezi zinto asuke ezisho mfethu ezinye zazo zenzeka ingawo ngithune siphiwo lo ababa lo mfethu yeah
so mfethu playing kwi PSL mfethu yabo lonto le there's a lot at stake yabo lonto le
yeah
how do you deal nezinto mfethu to make sure ukuthi your mental state mfethu ifocus awudidiseki because mfethu that's huge mfethu kuba kwi PSL lapho udlala yabo lonto le ingadlala ngengqondo yakho mfethu
yeah askis I think lapho cycle yakho
yeah
angimelanga ibenkulu abantu ohlala nabo abantu spenda nabo isikhathi like mongeke groundini abantu ohlala nabo mose groundini because sabadlala sifani mfethu
yeah
khona umdlalo omfiselayo umunye umuntu uthabe right khona lo ozobona into zomunye umuntu ezi right afika zohlebe yabo like abadlali bahluke kakhulu mfethu laba sebezodlala umqondo wakho yabo uthi nawe ugcina mhlawumbe umuntu onaleyo influence lo uthi ugxaya ama play of which uthi ayikho right leyo nto but insuku ayifani mfethu nginganga performa namhlanje but kusasa ngingakunika enye performance yabo so ilezo zinto lezo then ke nezinye izinto mhlambe egcine mhlambe ilimaza abadlali abaningi stress sakho sasekhaya abanye siyabalimaza kuya ngokuthi ustrong kangakanani ke wena mina ngibe naso stress sasekhaya so futhi bekuyimina osebenzayo nogogo yabo as much as they bephanda nabanye abafowethu basekhaya but nje abantu adubonisa bayasebenza futhi bekuyimina nogogo yabo but ekugcineni leyo nto masise groundini angimelanga uyilethe groundini stress sasekhaya mele usibeke eceleni ukuze ufocus grounding because mozuza ne stress ngaphandle grounding igame yakhe affected
so wena how do you prepare yourself before a game because ngiyazi nendlela prepare ngayo ngeteam bayibona lonto le
Yeah.
wena yourself uprepare kanjani for bese uzodlala igame
Ya mase kuzodlala igame ukudlala lezo ngoma lezo ezokugala yo motivation leyo ufonela umndeni wakho umuntu oclose enhlizweni yakho abangani yabo
yeah
bafonele ukuze like nje ungadisturbeki yabo
yeah yipi ingoma osuyidlale kakhulu nje okuyiyona nje ujwayele ukuyidlala ukuthi bese ngiyodlala igame hayi ngidlala le ngoma le
bekujwayele ukudlala ingoma yegospel serious sekudlala kodwa ilontuzana khane ngipick up but bengijwayele ukudlala ingoma zegospel nje most of the time yabo
yeah
but sekade sengidlala kakhulu kweya uthina zungu yeah
umuntu okholwayo vele
kumuntu obelievela uNkulunkulu mfethu njengoba ngikhuliswe ngaleyo ndlela ekhaya
yeah enganomthandazo
yeah namanje
you pray before a game
yeah ngiyathandaza before uqala igame like mengizongena nje change room yokuqala ngiya ku set yami ejezi ngiyangifika ngiguqa phansi ngedolo ngiyakhuleka yeah
so ilokhu nje ischeme igame ayizodlala sisethwa nini sisethwa mhlawumbe 2 days before game noma sisethwa ngalolu suku ezodlala ngayo igame
kuyashiyana ngama team uthi asebenza kanjani but most ama team engiwadlalelile kuyenzeka i-team mhlawumbe iqala ukusethwa Tuesday then Wednesday uyabona i-team yokuqala kuthiwa kudlalwa ngomgqibelo then mekhona ama changes kayenziwa ngo Wednesday Thursday kusuke sekwaziwa ukuthi hayi kahle kahle nawo abantu abayodlala Friday so sekuyiwe campaign kodwa nakhona kuqala ekujinywa kuqala before kuyiwe lontuzane ne campaign but usuku usubona hayi nawo abantu abayoqala bayodlala nama reserve akhona
so nina as a team umuntu mengabe lapha nje banika iPSL as a team nenza kanjani nihlala endaweni eyodwa noma umuntu uhamba ejimini ayibuyele ayele endaweni yakhe nihlangane senihlangana khona elokhu nje negroundini
kuhlukene ngama team because la ngidlale khona kaRose abantu nje uhlalela la ukuthanda ukuhlala khona Tsiri uhlala eflatini mohlala eduze uhlalela kini but mawucelile nakhona bayakufaka eflatini kuthi ongathi nakhona beyikhona indawo zokuhlala kube khona iClubhouse wena uyichoose la ufuna ukuhlala kuphi na ku Richards Bay Clubhouse ikhona uyazikhethela ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala kuphi khona nama flats kuba kuwena
so mangabe uhlala ku Clubhouse so ni isimo sempilo lapho sikanjani it's like ukuthi manhlala ku Clubhouse nidla khona la niqoka khona la
but kuba nama rooms phela uthatha umuntu une room yakhe bahlala kuyona nihlangana ekitchen mozophaka kudliwa
so mangabe ku Clubhouse salary yakho
kube
contribute awezile
mhlawumbe usunga contribute ke lokho mhlawumbe nizobe lihlanganisa mhlawumbe weekend andlala namajita lokuthiwa kushisweni inyama kurelaxweni yabo
so usakhuluma lento ukuthi nibuye kushisa inyama mfethu how do you stay away mfethu from ama temptations because now ku PSL abantu bayakubona namantombazana ayazi ukuthi amantombazana lezefuna ithikithi ukuthi hey leli ithikithi lethu le success and being involved in lezi zinto lezi zokushama party nani how do you stay away from lezo zinto lezi
kwena uyayithathela isinqumo uyasho into mongamsani nayo ukuthi hayi lokho ayakhamselani nami because bakhona nje most abantu abaningi abangaphuzi bekwenziwa lezo zinto bafike bahlale wokurelax kube grand bayiphuzela ijuice ukuphuza ijuice oyiphuzela lento ayiphuzayo oyibonela icherry uyayibonela okwakhe lo kuya ngomuntu futhi uzazi kanjani futhi yena futhi
anjani uhlubo amantombazane
amantombazane awahluphi futhi thina amajita siyakona amantombazane yabo
kodwa ukuthi nisengiyamajini ukuthi njengamanje suku PSL amantombazane asebona i-meal ticket yabo must ukuthi ayiphosa manje
it's not like ayiphosa but wena nje mhlambe mekwaqala post obvious bazolike abanye bazokufollow then mase kuba wena ke la coach ekhaya say ubani ongifole right yabo lezo zinto nje lezo it's not like mhlawumbe ibona abayiphosayo kuwena
yeah so wena mfethu ngokwakho nje siqale la ku PSL so na pheshe ithimo uthi wena this is my dream ukuthi one day ngidlalele le team and why yipi
njengoba ngishilo nasekuqaleni I will go for Kaizer Chiefs yabo because structure sakhona nanendlela abaphathana ngayo yabo ngeke ngahlala nama player ke seyadlala khona previously bachazela indlela abakutreata ngayo khona nendlela abakuphatha ngayo nezinto ezenzakala khona of which lapha hayi ufile ngathi uphesheya straight modlalela Kaizer Chiefs
and because of our facilities
grand kakhulu
so internationally
overseas because ngisaphatha Man City I'll go for Man City but Barcelona sengaya khona first nakhona yabo of which ngangisitshethe yabo ikhona la ngingathanda ukuthi yabo ngizibone khona yabo one day but
going to Spain iniyodlala neBarcelona enjani le experience le mfethu
experience enkulu kakhulu mfethu because everybody was motivated in fact that is going to Spain yabo safike sadlala no Vallecano sabuye sadlala ne what you call angisekhumbule team esadlala nayo kwesibili Girona sadlala nayo then ke sayodlala nelontuzane eBarcelona of which yagcina ingadlalwa ngegame it neBarcelona because kwakuyi international break abadlali babehambile beyodlala for ama international teams yabo but nje ukuba lapha it was a great experience mfethu kakhulu
manje what do you do for fun uma ufika eSpain awazi kwa ikhona igama lelibamba nje language lapha kwiSpanish
yakhona sakhona amagama khona
ngifundise nje nami elilodwa
uvamos mfethu asambeni mfethu yabona ngifuna
la wase groundini vamos
akisitholanga phela isikhathi esiningi sokuhlala abantu bakhona yabo but nje it was a great experience because nendlela ekutreatwana ngayo indlela ehlukene because mose eMadrid indawo eMadrid nje mohlala ngakhona nje mele usupport eMadrid yabo sake sasa ubuka eMadrid nje Cristiano la khona 4 goals yabo nje phambi kwethu asho ukuthi lo muntu lo unzima lo so ngangihlela eduze kwefeni yaka lontuzane eMadrid so like basibuza where you from I'm from South Africa so what do you support yabo la overseas then I said Barcelona indlela ngichesa ngayo futhi lo muntu athi ayisuka la eduze like for real I'm for real ngiyakutshela kwathi uma uhlala la nje eMadrid nje mfethu we Madrid lento eBarcelona because nase Barcelona nakhona nje
indefana
same thing but sike eBarcelona abantu bakhona basiphatha grand mfethu basiphatha grand kakhulu bona bazibiza ngamaKataluna ke yabona
bayibiza ngamaKataluna which means
angazi chaza ukuthini nje kwakuhlukanisa umzila yabo neMadrid yabo
yazi nginomona ukuthi wa experience yalo la jet experience ubona uCristiano eshaya 4 goals bami kwakhe his
cabanga mfethu
nesitolo zosixoxele kanjani ukuthi hayi bafana ba mina
in future mfethu
in future mfethu
kunjalo
so mfethu wena ngokwakho going forward manje yini emisele ngalo have you healed
I'm almost because I'm pushing myself ukuthi ngibe right nefizo ngisiza is pushing
wathenda nefizo
ngathenda ifizo right
so mawululama getting back to eteamini igoal yakhe ithini manje
igoal yami is to play as much game that lawo ngawadlala yabo then nokuyidayisa because I still see myself playing for other teams yabo nokudlala ekhaya ku right but I so wish I can play nje for a team out of the province
out of the province,
Yeah.
like go
Cape Town, Jozi, Pitoli. Yeah, unfortunately Pitoli sekuneteam eyodwa iSundowns because iSuper Sport bayidayisile yabona.
Super Sport bayidayisile.
Yeah.
Umuphi ulokhu nje umdlali wena la kwiPSL othi uyakwenzela?
Ngidlalela ibhola nje
Yeah, udlalela ibhola ngalendlela egculisayo. Noma ulokhu nje umdlalo ofisa ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngadlala nalomuntu lo ngibona ukuthi mase kuthiwa sidlala so2 kune impact esingayenza.
We'll go for Grant Kekana mfethu, he's playing for iSundowns.
Yeah.
Hayi ngiyathanda indlela adlala ngayo, is a cool center back nje mfethu, akatatazeli.
Yeah.
Yonke leyo nto uthanda ukudlala ibhola, is comfortable when it comes to playing yabo. Uyakwazi nokumarka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wena ilokhu nje istyle sakho osidlalayo sebhola ungasibiza ngani?
It's Mr. Cool, calm and collect. Because nami ngumuntu othanda ukudlala ibhola, irelaxele mesebholeni. Uthi ngithanda ukudribula. Ukudribula ngizokudribula. Ngilona ile defender loqhumisa ibhola phambili. Of which nakhona akukho wrong ukushaya ibhola phambili yabo. But nje game manje sishintshile kakhulu. Now sekuplayer the modern football bayibiza kanjalo. Because style esiqhamene nabo Pepe abo tiki taka wathwathi.
Yeah. So awuyimisele ngokuthatha iadvice yakho impela ukuthi kumele ube yibhuli.
Ngayithatha but kuya ngomuntu mfethu yabo, lento ayikho kumina mfethu, because I tried after angitshela ukuthi angiyenze mfethu ngazama ejimini, but lento ayikho kumina mfethu, so ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza into engekho kumina.
So when would you say indlela odlala ngayo ihambisana nepersonality yakho?
Yeah.
So wena njoba manje uRichards Bay uyabuya, what you hoping to achieve neRichards Bay njengamanje?
Unfortunately manje le contract yami yaphela manje yabo, which is sakwama negotiations ukuthi siyayivuselela noma sivuselele yabo.
Yeah.
So they are still waiting for me ukuthi ngihile ngibe right.
And then ubuye
mase siyakhuluma
enkundleni.
Yeah.
Na okay, but hayi. Uthi ngicabanga ukuthi manje lesinto esingayisho manje ukuthi ngizongicela ubheke lapha kuyilokhu nje kwicamera yabo lonto le. Unginikezela intwana the best advice you can give.
For intwana who are still want to make it in life, ngithi kuzona nje ngifisela okuhle, ngicela abafundi ukuyiphatha kahle and stay away from lezi zinto ezenziwayo layo manje, because manje kudumela izinto lezolini yabona. Abanye bahlala emakhoneni bayabhema, abanye bagolozela abazali. So lezo zinto just try by all means ukuthi ni avoid and respect abo coach. Ucoach if engakudlalisi, it's not like you're a bad player yabo. Angeke wazi kusasa ngenzeka noma yini. Mhlambe lo mdlalo odlala iposition oyidlalayo angaba nenkinga, then when you be introduced, then when kuyobe kwi opportunity yakho leyo ukuthi uyiveze. It's only take 190 minutes ukuthi kushintshe impilo yakho, uyabona.
That's the best advice. So okay, umoya manje ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi umuphi ucoach ofisa ukuthi akucoach kuPSL?
UPSL.
Yeah.
There are so many coaches manje.
Like umbone yabo, this one can bring out the best in me.
Because angibanga na opportunity ukuthi ngisebenze noPapi Zothane leningi kuPSL, because besebenza nayo kwama MTC na ku NFD.
Yeah.
I will go for him, coach uPapi Zothane.
Yeah. Awona kufanele na wina kabili MTC twice noPapi Zothane.
Yeah, omunye ucoach engimkhohliwe mfethu mfethu uKani uVilakazi mfethu.
Yeah.
That one is a coach mfethu, like nje grounding mfethu. Uyaqala leyo nto leyo.
Yeah.
There was a time efikile ku Richards Bay. I was playing as a right back.
Yeah.
The first week nje efikile nje, he just told me straight ndaba yakhe right back asisebenzi uyodlala center manje. Just imagine like that, and I jokingly I was just I was just saying that we are joke coach ngekenzeka. Boom, the game comes on a weekend. Wangifaka isenta ngadlala. Then there was a game where I was struggling. We were playing against the Super Sport and babe targethe mina because babebona I'm comfortable on the ball.
Yeah.
So bethumela uNdlovu kumina. So all the time bezongiphasa vele une split yabo.
Yeah.
Nganginokumcheck ngimgcine kude. Mase ngireceive isenda akalithatha. And somebody said I was like, no, yabo today I'm playing a bad game yabo.
Yeah.
And mengibuka ngaphandle ngibuka ngathi ucoach uzongikhipha yabo. Ucoach bekunokuthi nje angiblame nje. It's like keep on doing it uzophumelela uzoba successful.
Yeah.
Yabo. And mesifika nase change room after time I was like hey, I'm going out manje ngeke. Yabo ngayakena coach hey today is not my day no. Can you take me out to protect? I no, uzobuyela egroundini uyoziyenza lento engiyifunayo. Then we went back egroundini. My second half was superb. Just like that. So nje kubalekile ukuthi empilweni yabo umuntu mebelivela kuwena nawe mele ubelivele kuwena self as a player.
Yeah, true. Yeah. How many positions can you play?
A lot of them. Because I can be a goalkeeper, I can be in a centre back, I can be in a right back, left back, number 6, and I can play box to box and the right winger. Yabo nase striker ngangibeka yabo. So nje almost wonke ama position.
Hayi mina ngiyakubelieve ama-ocean yakho ngiyakhumbula usakhulu ayikho into awangayidlali like mfethu wawudalelwe isport yazi mfethu most abantu aba gifted njengawe mfethu I don't know why labantu aba gifted most yabo mfethu bavane bangena edakamizweni
yeah ne
they never get a chance to see i-potential yabo ukuthi ihamba igcine kephi ayibo lonto le so nje big ups to you mfethu ukuthi awuzange ufike lapho kulonto le because nalezi zinto ngibuye ngicabanga ukuthi into ebihambisana nayo ingqondo ayibo lonto le ukuthi ingqondo yakhe kanjani nokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani yonke lonto le
yeah ile yonto benomthelelo empilweni yami indlela engikhuliswe ngayo ekhaya nendlela bebe supportive ngayo akwazi ukuthi umzala ngaba supportive kuwena then wena usumletha down
I'm disappointed
because abanye uzothi keep imali yakhe yokugcina for wena ukuthi ube right but wena wenza into wrong so futhi leyo nto leyo akufiki kahle kwabazali yabo
yeah mfethu yabona mfethu we are very proud of you we behind you keep doing your thing mfethu sokukhulekela mfethu ngayo yonke indlela mfethu ayibona lonto le sesithi thina shine rise mfethu kuningi esakulindele kuwena
la ngiyabonga kakhulu
wazi ukuthi if wenza into ebhedayo you're not only letting yourself down you're letting your umlazi down wonke ayibona lonto le nalezi intwana lezi zizophinde amaphuphaza ashabalala ukuthi hayi nimbonile ufikile lapha kwengenzeka kanjani
yeah kunjalo
isinde lejeni oyihambile mfethu
hayi kakhulu mfethu hayi isinde kakhulu mfethu
yeah mfethu mfethu this has been mfethu another fruitful and nice interview mfethu noSiyanda mfethu angazi ukuthi ngayidescribe kanjani kodwa I hope ukuthi bafethu infundisile into ezithile and you have something to take away from this mfethu ayibona lonto le your last word before sivale this
my last word nje ukubonga for invitation mfethu ku broadcast yenu nanokuthi ngiyacela nje bafethu abajida khona mfethu no that bethu just stay away from drugs alcohol crime yabo lezo zinto lezi ayibuyiseli na kwi gender based violence bafethu siyacela kakhulu because isini kungakhulu manje so bengicela nje ukuthi nje lezo zinto evalwe nanokuthi ngiyanthanda nonke bafethu uthando nenhlonipho kuphela
nje thank you bafethu we came we saw now we go